Hey, what are you doing? Why aren't you out enjoying life instead of sitting here watching videos on your computer, on your phone? I know, I hear you. I've been pushing myself a little bit too much lately. Been hitting that 9 to 5 button a bit too much. It's time for me to quit, and I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I still can't believe people still think that the 9 to 5 is the best way to make a living. Or myself, I'm doing it 6 to 4. I know, crazy hours. We're always out there trading time for money and never having enough time when we get home to enjoy the things that we really like to do, or even having the energy to do what we really like to do. Hi, my name's Susanna. I work for a corporation with a decent salary. However, I'm working way too many hours with minimal raises, and it's killing me. Maybe that's you. How fulfilling is your life? Thankfully, there are better alternatives out there. I still remember when I realized this. I hated commuting to work. I hated sitting in a cubicle, sometimes with no windows. Yes, no windows. Awful. Having to ask permission from my boss to take time off, which was never enough time for me. I was fortunate enough to be watching some videos like you are now, and I came across one video where a woman was explaining how she was able to ditch her day job, working as an investment banker, and start her own profitable online business. As long as she has her laptop and an internet connection, she can conduct her business anywhere around the world. And even when she's sleeping, her website still works for her nonstop, 24/7. This is automation. This is how the internet works. She said she wanted to help me do this for myself and sent me a video series for free to show how this is all possible, where her mentors explained exactly how anyone with the right mindset could set up their own online business from scratch. You might be skeptical, I was. There is a lot of scammy stuff out here, but I watched the videos at least. And I'm so glad I did, because the video series has changed my life. I am now off to a new beginning. You are important. Your life matters. There are better ways to live your life and live life on your own terms. Instead of trading your time for money for someone else, try working for yourself. Try working online instead. I want you to have the same opportunity I did. How to start your own online business from scratch. I'm more than willing to send you the same video series I got for free, of course, because that's how I got them. You'll see a link somewhere here on this screen. Just click on it. Enter your email address in any of the opt-in boxes you find there, and I will send you the video series that I saw. If you know that working harder is not the answer, you are no longer fulfilled with your current work life, or you're the independent type that's seeking life on your own terms, not your boss's, or maybe you're the one that's wanting to start an online business but don't know where to start and don't want to go it alone, I strongly recommend you to just click on the link and have a look. I mean, it's free. Come on. It's been the best decisions I have ever made, and I'm sure it's going to answer a lot of your questions. Hey, I needed a place to start, and so do you. I knew I didn't want to get stuck sitting behind a desk for the rest of my life. I want to travel, and I want to enjoy life, and the internet can provide this opportunity for me, and it probably can do it for you too. I am once again excited about my life, and you need to start dreaming. Your life is about to change. You deserve to live life on your own terms, not someone else's. Check it out, click somewhere here, and I will get those videos sent out to you. Peace.